This is Chris Roshnot, 24K on Instagram and 24K on Twitter. This is the myCharge 6700 milliamp hub turbo, and they made one with my Instagram and Twitter name. It's very cool. It's a 4-in-1 charger. It's new. It's up to 75% faster charging technology because it has power delivery. It has built-in cables, built-in USB-C cable, and built-in universal USB port as well. So here are the two different cables. You have the Lightning right here. So this will fast charge the newer iPhone. And then you have the USB-C here. Shows you the charge level. Then the full-size USB Type-A port right there. So if you thought the included cables were cool, this is probably the coolest part. You just flip this out and plug it right into the wall. You can charge multiple devices with this battery at the same time. They come pre-charged, and that's what you saw right there. The 3 LEDs out of 4, that's a pre-charge. So if you're at the airport or you buy it online, you can actually start using it right away. It's one of the only brands that pre-charges their batteries. Premium technology like Qualcomm's Quick Charge 3.0 is also included with this battery from myCharge. This is Chris Roshnot, 24K on Twitter, as you can see here, and 24K on Instagram. Thanks.